Okay, so boom, check it out. Grab your Old Bay seasoning and some seasoning salt. Black pepper. Don't forget the onion and garlic powder because they go on everything. And some Slap Your Mama and some smoked paprika because we're about to make something really, really hot. Grab 2 catfish fillets, some cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, Cajun fish batter, and some spinach. Grab some French's mustard and spread some all over the catfish as a base so that our seasonings can stick to them very well. And for some reason, every time I coat my food that I'm going to fry with mustard first, it makes the food more crunchier and juicier. Yeah. So all of those seasonings that I had mixed up in a bowl, I'll sprinkle those on top of the catfish fillets, and then we'll get those mixed up and blended on and coat it very nicely so we can get that nice, even taste. A little razzle dazzle, and there you go. Nicely coated and ready for the fish batter. Grab your bag with the fish batter in it, insert those fillets and get them tossed up in there and nicely coated. So the old school way would be to mix it up with some cornmeal, but I like this Cajun fish fry. So once you get it coated, on the side, I sauteed some spinach and added the cream cheese to it, and then that's the only mixture that I put inside of it. So you can add whatever mixture you like, but I'm just doing a little simple cream cheese. Now I want it extra cheesy, so I have to add that mozzarella cheese on top of there. Yeah, so get it nice and creamy and ooey and gooey. Y'all know the ooey and gooey, that's my stuff. So put as much cheese as you like. We don't want to add too much cheese because we don't want it overflowing when we're ready to fry it. But that's good enough, right? Put the other filet right on top of it. Nice and easy. So you see why I said don't add too much, because you don't want everything falling on the side. So in order to close it, we're going to use toothpicks. So we're going to go around the whole catfish and we're going to hold it together with the toothpicks. Make sure that you're pushing everything inside of the fish so that it doesn't go out in the grease like that. So this is what it should look like before you put it in the hot grease. The grease must be hot first. So we're going to fry it. I think maybe I fried it for about 8 minutes, maybe. I like my fish well done and crispity, crackety, right? So after we flip it, there we go. So a little piece tore off. I was a little disappointed, but whatever. It's not going to stop nothing. And this is the finished product. Very nice, cheesy, spinach stuffed catfish fillet. Mwah.